Welcome to Forces and Tricks. Today we will learn how to fix issue that we are getting during Mess Office setup sometime. We are sorry Microsoft Office installer encountered a problem because you have this click to run installer based Office program installed on your computer. So let's see how to fix this error, and I will try to fix live from beginning to end. And let's see, here is the error, and what we'll do now, first let me show you live demo what is the issue and how to fix. Here is Office. I have Office here. It's Microsoft 2016, and here is setup. So okay, first we'll start from normal setup, and then okay, continue install. But you can see same issue. We are sorry Microsoft Office installer encounter a problem. So okay, I press okay, and then okay, let's cancel it, and then we will try one time as run as administrator, and we'll see is it working or not. Okay, so same issue even we run as administrator. So let's close it, and okay, we'll go to control panel, open we will go to uninstall a program, and here is Microsoft OneNote en us Microsoft OneNote. This we have to uninstall. Okay, we will uninstall it. Click on uninstall, and let's see. Let's take a few minutes to uninstall. So I don't want to skip video, and better to make it live from beginning to end, and we'll see, and the problem and the issue is solved or not. While it's uninstalling, you guys have tea break. Okay, now I think it's done. It's take few I think 1 or 2 minutes only. See, done uninstalling. We are successfully removed Office from your computer. Okay, so now we'll close it. Okay, let's move from here, and we'll close it, and let's try again. Open folder, and here now I will try run as administrator, uh, and click on yes, and accept term condition, continue, and click on install. See, now it's installation progress. Now see installing. It's now it will complete. It's successful. So job done. It means there is no error, no more error now. I think the who don't know, who is facing first time this issue, it's a useful video for them, and whoever know, it's a good even for practice. Even if we uninstall Microsoft Office 365, but this notes will be there, so it will not accept. So we have to uninstall Microsoft Office 365 previous version, which and if you want to install new version, and then we have to uninstall Microsoft Office Notes as well. Then the new setup will accept to install. and you can see its progress. So I hope there will be no issue, no error at all now until finish it. While it's installing, you can have a tea break or small break, or can skip video also, because I don't want to pause and start, so you can see from step by step. It's 100% working tricks. If your problem solved by these tricks, so I would like request to subscribe my channel, like and share and comment as well. We'll pause for a few seconds because it will take a bit time, little bit time only. So here it's installed already successful and the job done now. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.